with all the bashing that happened before, natakot din akong magbigay ng opinion ko.
Super.
Kasi
Legit.
you hold your phone. Maybe that's why it restricted me for the longest time na I wanna say something, pero parang di ko alam kung tama o hindi. Eh, personal mong opinion yun eh. Di ba? So, yun. Baka may fear din para sa akin na pag nag-comment ako, oh no, people are gonna attack me because of these illegitimate accounts or even just because you spoke your mind.
Parang talagang, as much as it's good to think before we click, iba din naman yung we feel like we can't speak up. Kasi now, anything we say, polarizing kaagad. When in fact, sa totoong buhay, nuance exists.
Yeah.
Meaning, pwedeng ito yung pinaniniwalaan mo, but it doesn't necessarily mean na ayaw mo kaagad yung kabilang side. Or mali na yon. It's just that iba tayo. To watch the full episode, go to Paano Ba To on Spotify and YouTube and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok.